Some stories don't need a camera, only a question. And if you've ever tried making a Fern-style AI documentary, you've probably noticed something. Your shots look random, your pacing feels broken, and the final video never feels alive. Today, that changes, because I'm going to show you the system Fern's style is built on, step by step, in the right order, without guesswork or chaos. And if you skip this system, you'll keep generating disconnected scenes, broken stories, and you'll stay stuck, watching other creators grow while your own documentary never leaves your head. But if you stay until the end, you'll know how to create something that feels real. A full Fern-style sequence, using nothing but AI. Fern doesn't start with visuals. He starts with the question. Every Fern story begins with a single emotional idea. Beginners do the opposite. They start generating random shots and hope a story appears. It never does. Here's exactly how I find Fern-style ideas. Open your Google Doc. Copy the idea prompt. Paste it into GPT. GPT will give you 10 ideas that feel just like Fern. Now we have the emotional seed. But an idea means nothing if the script collapses. So let's build Fern's structure next. Fern's narration feels soft, poetic, intentional, but beginners overwrite. They break the rhythm. They write like YouTubers, not storytellers. Here's the fast way to generate a Fern-style script. Open your Google Doc, copy the script prompt, paste it into GPT, add your idea. GPT will generate a full script in Fern's tone. But this is only the surface. If you want that real Fern pacing, the silence, the weight, the control, you need the advanced method. The advanced prompt is in the prompt doc. It is a competitor analysis prompt, which can help you to analyze your competitor. Now you have the prompt, it's time for visuals. Fern's visuals are quiet, foggy, emotional, but beginners write vague prompts and AI gives them cartoon chaos. Here's the system. Open your Google Doc, copy the image prompt, paste it into GPT. Then paste your entire script. GPT will generate Fern-style prompts scene by scene. The prompts are ready. Now let's turn them into real images. In Fern's world, consistency is everything. One wrong face ruins the illusion, but AI loves to mutate characters. Here's my exact method. Go to Whisk, paste the first image prompt. You'll get images in Fern's style. Now lock the seed so every character stays consistent. For the next scene, paste the new prompt below the first selected image. Whisk will match the character perfectly. Your world now exists. Let's make it move. Before we move on, I want to tell you something that will actually help you. This is not a promotion. This is for beginners who feel overwhelmed. Fiverr is a website where you can find video editors, thumbnail designers, script writers, all for very cheap, sometimes $5. If you feel stuck or you want to make videos faster, this will save you days. Just look at this creator. She offers 2 thumbnails for $5. You can click Continue to Order or message her first if you want. The link is in the description. It is an affiliate link, but you don't pay anything extra. It simply supports the channel. All right, let's continue. Fern uses slow push-ins, controlled drift, atmospheric motion, but beginners add chaotic camera movement and destroy the mood. Here's what I do. Copy the video prompt template from your doc, paste it into GPT, add your image prompts. GPT will generate highly professional video prompts that match Fern's style. Now let's turn them into actual moving shots. Movement is where your documentary comes alive, but the wrong tool makes everything feel robotic. Here's the solution. Go to Meta AI, upload your image, paste your video prompt. You'll get shots that feel cinematic, quiet, slow, deliberate, Fern-like. You can also use Whisk or Veer AI for even more control. Now your visuals breathe, but they're still silent. Let's give them a voice. Fern speaks like he's guiding a memory. Slow, controlled, never in a rush. Beginners sound too fast, too excited, too YouTuber. Here's the system. Copy your script and paste it into GPT. Ask it to punctuate the script in Fern's style. Then paste the rewritten script into speech synthesis. You'll get narration that feels calm, soft, intentional. Now your story has a voice. Let's stitch everything together. Editing is where the emotion lives, where story meets rhythm. But beginners cut randomly and the pacing collapses. Here's how I edit. Add all your clips. Add the voice. Cut visuals to match the narration. Keep it slow. Let moments breathe. Add film grain. Add fog layers. Add cool tone LUTs. Shape the world until it feels like Fern. And now, watch this.
A man crouches in a dim concrete tunnel. His breath fogs the air as he hides 5 grains of rice under his shirt. An alarm detonates through the corridor. Boots crash toward him. Above him, a glowing skyline. Below him, a city carved for nuclear war. A place nearly 1 million people would one day rely on. How did a nuclear bunker turn into a hidden city millions depended on? To understand this buried metropolis, we explore why China carved a city beneath its capital, how a Cold War bunker evolved into a sprawling underground neighborhood, and what its modern transformation reveals about how the country prepares for future conflict. Some details differ across reports. We'll flag those. In the late 1960s, China believed nuclear war was imminent. So the order went out. Dig. Whole neighborhoods became digging crews. Tunnels spread beneath markets, government buildings, and residential blocks. A vast civil defense network stretching for tens of kilometers. Ventilation rooms, medical stations, grain stores, command posts, everything needed to keep a city alive underground. Some estimates say hundreds of thousands, maybe more, could shelter there if war erupted. Numbers vary, the scale does not. As one expert put it, this was urban planning for total war, a backup Beijing beneath the real one. And the key truth is this: it wasn't paranoia, it was state policy. If Beijing fell, life would continue underground.
This is the first Fern-style sequence you've ever made, with nothing but AI. All you needed was a question, a spark, a story waiting to be told. Now you know Fern's full system: idea, script, prompts, visuals, voice, edit. A repeatable workflow that beginners can use to create something cinematic. And before this video ends, there's one more thing you need, because none of this matters if no one clicks your video. To pull viewers into your world, you need a thumbnail that stops the scroll. In the next video, I'll show you the exact thumbnail formula that beginners use to triple their clicks even with AI-generated images. Click the video on your screen, and I'll show you how to design thumbnails that pull viewers in instantly.